Hello friends, now let us take up the concept number 7, 13.7, interface versus abstract class differences. Now prima facie you may feel that the interface and abstract class are alike. So which one we have to use in our programs? Actually that is not correct. If you analytically study, there are a lot of differences between interface and the abstract class. The first and foremost important difference is interface supports multiple inheritance, whereas a class, ordinary class or abstract class, does not support multiple inheritance. So wherever multiple inheritance is required, there only interface we have to declare. Otherwise multiple inheritance is not required, we can go for abstract classes. That is the first and foremost difference. And as far as members of interface are concerned, lot of limitations are there. What are those limitations? The first one is it should have public, static, final constants, whereas in abstract class such a limitation is not there. It may have instance variables or static variables. They need not be public. They may be public, private or protected. They may be final or non-final, but in interface the fields should be public, static and final. That is one of the major differences. Next, as far as methods are concerned, in abstract class method implementations can be provided, but only one point you must remember: any incompleteness is there, it should be declared as abstract. For example, a class consists of 10 methods, and out of that one method implementation is not provided. For 9 methods implementations are provided, then also it should be explicitly declared as abstract. Understand? That means any incompleteness is there in implementation in the method, in the method in a class, it should be declared explicitly as abstract, that point. But in interface, method implementation should not be provided. That is very important point. Number 2 is method prototype should be public. In interfaces, method prototypes what we define, they should be public, non-final and non-static. Whereas in abstract class, method can have any type of modifier. That means they may be final, they may be static, they may be public, private or protected. Any type of method we can define, but that freedom is not there in case of inheritance. Next thing, as similarity is concerned, a interface cannot be instantiated, and abstract class also until unless that incomplete part is implemented, it should not be instantiated. That commonality is there. And interface also, once it is implemented by a class, instantiation can be done. As far as abstract class also, when it is extended, whatever incompleteness is there, that is filled by the subclass, then instantiation is possible. And one more thing, interface by itself without declaring implicitly, it should be public and it should be abstract, should be public and abstract. But whereas abstract class is concerned, any incompleteness is there, explicitly it should be declared as abstract, otherwise leads to error. This point you must remember. And finally, what I would like, these differences you must keep in mind. And in a program, if multiple inheritance is to be implemented, use interfaces. If multiple inheritance is not required, you may use abstract classes. that is simple difference. However, one thing it is very difficult to remember, that is why you please write your notes certain things, because many elements are there. When many elements are there and a small difference is there, then in such case the good idea is you write your own notes and refer it twice or thrice, and by that you can retain that. One thing, if you understand it logically, no reference is required. Why interface? Why abstract class? In which situation we have to use interface, in which circumstances we have to use abstract class. If you know logically, then everything, because every modifier is having its purpose. Suppose you know public, private, protected, static, final, all the modifiers, that purposes you know. So, once you have logical understanding which modifier is applicable, which modifier is not applicable, all that you can easily learn. However, being a learner, it is always a good practice for you to write your own notes and refer it now and then.